Welcome back to my online video tutorial series. At the end of this video, you should know how to add text to your building drawing, floor plan, or any other part of your drawing. To add text, we simply click on the text icon and go down to single line text. We then, for AutoCAD Architecture, it will then ask us to confirm the scale that we're using. Currently, I'm using a 1:1 scale. I click OK. It will then ask me to specify where I want my text to start. So I would left click, I would place my crosshair at the point where I want my text to start. So I would align this here, left click. It will then ask me to specify the text height. See, specify a text height. I will then, for this, I want a text height of about 300 millimeters or 350, 350, enter. It will then ask me to specify a rotation angle. For this, I do not want my text to rotate. I want my text to be flat or horizontal. So I would click enter or press enter to accept 0. It will then allow me to start typing. I probably should have changed my text layer first. I should have changed my text layer first, so let me do that. So first I'm gonna click here to activate that. It's important that we do every part of the drawing on a separate layer. Dimension should be on a layer by itself, text on a layer by itself, wall, foundation, etc., etc. So I'm creating a new layer for my text. So this is my text layer. So I click 2 times to activate it, then click this off. So now my text layer is active. So again, I go back to the big A, Apple text, click on that, go down to single line text. Again, I specify where I want my text to start. In this case, I want to start here. I then type a text height of 350, and enter. The command bar will then ask me to specify a rotation angle. In this case, I want my rotation angle to be 0. So I type enter to accept that. I then start typing. I like annotation should be done using capital letters. So you're advised to activate all caps. For this, I'll type BEDROOM, bedroom. I then click here for bath, BATHROOM, bathroom. Then click here for bedroom, bedroom. Click here for my kitchen. And here my living and dining. To end you click outside, then escape. And here we have it. We have our text. All right. So that's basically how we add text. To move text, to edit or move a text, we simply click on that. When it turns blue, we click and hold the square box and move it to where we want it to go. We could also edit the content of the text by clicking 1-2 times on it, wait a bit, backspace, and type. Then click inside and we're good to go. So it's basically how we edit it. We could also copy the text here to a different location and edit as well. So that's basically how we add text in a drawing. Remember, it is important to set your scale 1-to-1. If you set your scale to probably some other value, what you'll find is that the text might not come out the way it should. Yes, as the text will not be consistent with what I draw the line in, and that can pose a problem. I like to keep things really, really simple. It is important to know that AutoCAD Architecture has a lot of other features, but be that I'm making these videos for students who are pressed for time and don't, in most cases, they are not able to cover all that I need to cover. So I try to focus on the basics, the shortest method to get things done. That is my philosophy. Quickest way, easiest way, simplest way. Okay, guys, so that is basically it for this video. That is how we create text in a drawing.